Alright, so our first grammar lesson here, we'll take a look at this word, desu, des. So, pronounce des, and des is roughly equivalent to is, or am, or are in meaning. The best way to explain how this works is just to give you some usage examples, and this will work best if you have already pre-studied the vocabulary used in here. Those again are listed on Quizlet. You can also find them on the hiragana spelling sheets that were available to you. Let's take a look then at how to use des in a sentence, and keep in mind again it can mean is, or am, or are depending on the circumstances. Des. 家です。家です。です。ケーキです。ケーキです。です。暑いです。暑いです。です。いかです。いかです。Now we can combine adjectives and nouns to make things like this next sentence. です。大きいイカです。大きいイカです。です。タコです。タコです。In summary then, we can use des following nouns and des following adjectives to make simple statements. You can also form questions in Japanese by adding ka at the end of a statement. A ka, again, is like a spoken and written question mark. No,